Ever wondered how to create a dish that's not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a visual delight? Well, the answer lies in the art of creating a rainbow vegetable stir-fry. This dish brings together an array of colorful vegetables, cooked to perfection, promising a burst of flavors with every bite. The journey of this dish begins at the local farmer's market or the vegetable aisle in the grocery store. Gather bell peppers of different colors: red, yellow, green, and orange. Add to this some purple cabbage, broccoli, carrots, and snow peas. The more the colors, the more vibrant your stir-fry will be. Once you have your veggies, wash and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the key to a good stir-fry is in the crunch, so avoid cutting your veggies too small. Now it's time to prepare the stir-fry sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of sesame oil for that nutty undertone and whisk it all together. With your veggies prepped and your sauce ready, it's time to bring them together. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the veggies, starting with the ones that take the longest to cook: carrots and broccoli. After about 2 minutes, add the bell peppers and cabbage, followed by the snow peas. Stir-fry the veggies until they are just tender. Remember, overcooking the veggies will not only rob them of their vibrant colors, but also their crunch. Once the veggies are cooked, pour the sauce over them and stir well to ensure that every piece is coated. And voila! Your rainbow vegetable stir-fry is ready. Serve it hot, garnished with some sesame seeds and chopped green onions. To recap, this dish starts with a selection of colorful vegetables chopped into bite-sized pieces. A flavorful stir-fry sauce is prepared using soy sauce, hoisin sauce, cornstarch, and sesame oil. The vegetables are then stir-fried in hot oil, starting with the ones that take the longest to cook. The sauce is added once the veggies are just tender and the dish is served hot, garnished with sesame seeds and green onions. This rainbow vegetable stir-fry is not just a dish, it's an experience, a burst of flavors, a crunch of fresh veggies, and a riot of colors. So go ahead, give it a try and add a splash of color to your dinner table tonight.